The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is already making waves in the tech community, even though its launch is still months away. As one of the most anticipated flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring significant upgrades over its predecessor. Thanks to consistent leaks, we now have a clearer picture of what Samsung's next premium offering might look like. In this video, we will reveal the detailed features and specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, based on the latest leaks and reports. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a design that is both sleeker and taller than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to a leak from IceUniverse, a reputable source in the tech community, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will measure 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters. This means the new Ultra will be 0.4 millimeters thinner and 0.4 millimeters taller than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The overall width will also see a slight decrease from 79 millimeters to 77.6 millimeters, which could contribute to a more comfortable grip, especially for users with smaller hands. In line with the changes in dimension, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a larger display. In a post on Twitter, tipster IceUniverse claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a larger 6.86-inch display, courtesy of slimmer bezels. Notably, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra sports a 6.79-inch screen. Furthermore, it may sport a width of 77.6 millimeters. In comparison, the company's current flagship, Galaxy S24 Ultra, is 79 millimeters wide. This potentially makes the purported smartphone narrower than its predecessor. This is a slight increase from the 6.8-inch display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's made possible by slimmer bezel, which will allow for a bigger screen without significantly increasing the phone's overall size. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to receive some notable upgrades, particularly with the ultra-wide lens. According to IceUniverse, who once again took to Twitter to share this information, the S25 Ultra will sport a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f1.9 aperture. This is a significant improvement over the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. The new ultra-wide camera is expected to deliver enhanced photo quality, especially in low-light conditions, thanks to the larger sensor and pixel binning technology. Despite the substantial upgrade to the ultra-wide lens, other cameras on the S25 Ultra are expected to remain largely unchanged. The primary camera will retain the 200-megapixel sensor seen on the S24 Ultra, only minor process improvements. The telephoto lenses will also stay the same, with a 10-megapixel sensor for 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel sensor for 5x zoom. One of the more intriguing aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its expected reliance on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. Earlier rumors hinted at the possibility of the Exynos 2500 or even a MediaTek chip being used. Still, more recent reports, including one from Ming-Chi Kuo, indicate that Samsung will fully commit to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Tipster Sawyer Galax on Twitter claimed that Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature UFS 4.1 storage with data transfer rates of 8 gigabytes per second. This could be a slight upgrade over the UFS 4.0 flash storage available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which provides a data transfer speed of 4 gigabytes per second. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. It could get a 200-megapixel quad rear camera setup. The phone will likely come with 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring fast data access and smooth multitasking. While many aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are seeing upgrades, the battery capacity and charging speed are expected to remain unchanged. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Tipster Digital Chat Station expects a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. This combination has proven effective in providing a good balance between battery life and charging speed, so it's not surprising that Samsung isn't making changes here. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be officially unveiled during Samsung's early year Unpacked event. likely taking place in January 2025. As for the pricing, while exact figures have yet to be confirmed, it's safe to assume that the S25 Ultra will be priced similarly to its predecessors. This means we can expect a starting price in the range of $1,200 to $1,300, depending on the configuration and regional pricing strategies. What do you think about the rumored features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for updates so you don't miss any announcements regarding the release date and pre-orders.